Day in the life of a UGC creator living in New Jersey. As you guys know, it's winter. It's literally 24 degrees and it's supposed to drop to like -1 tonight, which I'm not looking forward to. But anyways, we had to do life, so here we go. So first things first, we had a call with a potential new client. Hopefully we're going to start working in 4 to 6 weeks. We'll see how that goes. After that, Kobe had an appointment to get his shit clean because the dude was stinking. And right after that, we got some coffee at Starbucks. This is literally our first time picking up Starbucks in over like 3 months. And honestly, it fucking sucks. I don't know anyone. I don't know what we were thinking. We were literally picking up Starbucks pretty much every day. But anyways, we went to Whole Foods because our fridge was looking completely empty. Leo had no food. We had no food. So we went to Whole Foods, picked up and stocked up our fridge. As soon as we got home, I decided to go to the gym because your boy wants to lose another 6 pounds. That's the goal for this month. And here we go. So as you guys can tell, I'm making a pre-workout. I'm using Alani. And honestly, we ran out. So I might have to make a drive in the next couple days and straight to the face. Anyways, we go down to the gym. I'm actually going to the gym in the apartment. I do have a membership at LA Fitness, which I haven't been using over the past 2-3 months. And honestly, I know I'm wasting so much money. But I feel like, so the reason why I started going to the gym downstairs is because I wanted to get into the groove of going back to the gym. But now that I am in the groove and it's a habit, I'm going to start going back to LA Fitness.